back. So in our today's class, we are going to discuss about some topic again from lecture number 2. And as I already mentioned, according to our serial, this is lecture number 2. But according to your book, this is chapter number 1. So let's start our today's discussion. I'm sharing my screen with you, my PowerPoint slide with you. Let me know whether you can see the slide or not. So is it visible to you on your screen, my slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So at first, I would like to recap the previous knowledge from this chapter. Then I'm going to move what is the new topics we have in this chapter. So you already know that lecture number 2 title is Information System in Global Business. So in our previous class, I basically mentioned what is the importance of information system in global business nowadays. I would like to recap the important points. Like if you want to run business, you have to understand one thing. Business is very much scientific nowadays. Business is very much scientific nowadays. So that's why you need information system. You need the help of information system to run your business. If you're able to use information system properly inside your organization, only then you will be able to achieve your business goal. What is your business goal? The main business goal is to maximize the profit. Okay. So you can see that we have number of organization nowadays. Previously, they you will not get any digital version of them, but nowadays you are getting digital version. Okay, like think about Arong, think about Shopno, or think about other famous brand we have in Bangladesh. Okay, previously they have only physical shop, but nowadays they have their online version as well. Okay, to sustain in the market, they have to use information system. Otherwise, they will not be able to sustain in the market. Think about this COVID-19 situation. In COVID-19 situation, whatever the physical shop nowadays we have in Bangladesh, their business not running very well. But e-commerce website, they are basically continue their business operation. Okay, why? Because they have their information system. Through their information system, their customer basically placing order, okay, and they are basically giving home delivery to the to their customer. Okay, so in this way, they are able to continue their business. They are doing even think about the marketing policy. Okay, previously we depends on mass medium like TV or radio marketing, okay, or newspaper marketing or billboard marketing. But nowadays we are talking about what? Digital marketing. So you can see it has impact on marketing as well. Okay, right. So that's why this information system is very important. Okay, nowadays in our business, in some cases we cannot even think about our business without information system. Think about e-commerce website. You cannot think about an e-commerce website without information system. Okay, so this is the impact of information system on the global business. Okay, so in our previous class we discussed about information system. What is information system? And if you remember, an information system can be defined technically a set of interrelated component. That means inside this information system you will get number of interrelated components, and this component will perform 4 tasks. It will collect, it will process, it will store, it will distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. Okay, it will collect data from different sources of your organization. Okay, it will process those collected data, and then it will find out information according to your need. You can store those information inside your database, and you have to distribute those information into different levels of management so that they can take right or proper decision to ensure future growth of your organization. And here you can see a picture like you have to give input as data to your information system. Your information system will process, classify, arrange or calculate those data, that means it will manipulate data, then it will give information as output. Okay, according to that information you can give feedback. And here you will get some stakeholder, okay, like customer, competitor, other stakeholder, that means it might be your internal employee, regulatory agency, supplier. They are the stakeholder. I mean, those who are going to give input or those who are going to get output. Those who have interest about the information system, they are called a stakeholder of that information system. Okay, so then we also discuss about these components of information system. Okay, as I already mentioned, if you remember, to collect and to process data, we need some hardware. We need some hardware as well as we need some software. Okay, then to store data, we need database. To distribute data, we need network. Okay, and how this above four component will work together is written inside the procedure: hardware, software, database, network. How these four component will work together. Okay, there should be a synchronization, okay, among them. Okay, so how they will work together, this instruction written inside this procedure. Okay, procedure is nothing but some protocol. And who basically run this who basically run this information system? People. Okay, so they are the sixth component of this information system. So remember, we have six component inside information system. First of all, hardware. Hardware might be any device like your microprocessor, monitor, keyboard, printer, or any physical component inside your computer system. Then software. Software is basically a set of instruction that tells the hardware what to do. Then database. It is collection of related fields or tables. You know, inside the database we have a number of tables. Nowadays we're talking about relational database. In relational database we have number of tables, and all of them are, I mean, connected, okay, with each other. Then network. Network is the connecting system through which you can share your resources. And procedure, how this above four component will work, okay, together. That instruction basically given. And people, I mean individual, those who basically run the operating system. These people might be any, I mean person, or even it might be any hardware and software. Sometimes also we use some, I mean, hardware to give input. Like think about your sensor in your mobile phone. Okay, sensor basically giving information to your mobile phone, providing information to your mobile phone. So in this case, sensor is basically information provider. As a person, as a human being, I am not giving information directly to my computer. Sensor taking information from the environment and it is providing that information to the your computer or to your mobile phone. So in this case, basically sensor or that hardware or that software basically playing role as people, okay, playing role as actor. Okay, so these are the six components of our information system. So this question is very important for your examination. What is information system? Discuss about components of an information system. So do you have any problem regarding the previous lecture? That's all about the previous lecture from this chapter till now. Any problem, anyone to understand any point, or if you need more explanation about any point? No problem, everything is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
All right. As you do not have any question, then let's move to the next point. Okay. So this question is very important. You can give 3, 4, 5, 6, as many star as you want. You can give. Okay. But this, point is very important. Okay. Here the point they mention: role of information system in business. Okay. Role of information system in nowadays business. Why we should use information system in our business nowadays, or to achieve which objective we should use information system in business. All right, so let's see what they're saying. First point, they're saying information systems are a foundation for conducting business today. I already mentioned this one earlier, that nowadays without information system it is very tough to run our business organization. Or without information system, you will not be able to sustain in the market in a long run. Okay. In many industries, survivals and the ability to achieve strategic business goal are difficult without extensive use of information technology. Okay. What they're mentioning, if you want to survive in a long run, you need to use information system. If you want to achieve the strategic business goal, like if you want to retain your profitable customer, if you want to make a very good liaison with your supplier, okay, if you want to give better service to your customer, if you want to offer new product to your customer, new service to your customer, okay, if you want to introduce new business model in the market, okay, and if you want to maximize your profit, these are the strategic business goal. Okay, so if you want to achieve this goal, if you want to achieve this objective without information system, it is very very difficult nowadays. And without information system, okay, uh, if you consider some industry without information system, it is not possible to run those business organization at all. Okay, as I already mentioned, think about e-commerce website or e-commerce industry. Without information system, without computerized system, without the help of hardware and software, it is impossible to run an e-commerce business. Think about some other service provider like Pathao, like Uber. Without information system, without hardware, software, or network infrastructure, it is not possible to, run this type of organization like Pathao, Uber, Foodpanda. Okay, this is the thing. Then think about telemedicine. In COVID-19, we people, we basically afraid to go to hospital. Okay, so what we are doing, we are basically taking telemedicine service. But without information system, is it possible to take service, or the hospital, they will be able to run this telemedicine service to us, give telemedicine service to us? It is not possible at all, isn't it? So that's why I'm telling, without information system nowadays, we cannot think about some industry at all. Okay. So let's see what are the business objective we would like to achieve by using information system in business. Mainly, hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Somehow my microphone muted. Okay, right. Okay, all right. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay. So as I'm talking about role of information system in business, to achieve these 6 objectives, okay, these points are very important for your examination. Okay, you have to understand this point. You can get question in different way from this part. After explaining all the point, I'm going to discuss about the question pattern, what type of question you might get, okay, from this part. So mainly to achieve these 6 objectives, okay, to achieve these 6 objectives, we basically use information system in business. First objective they mention here, what is this? Can anyone read it for me? What is the first objective? Can anyone read it? What is the first
operational excellence?
Right, operational excellence. To achieve this goal, operational excellence, we have to use information system in business. So you guys are very familiar with the departmental store, isn't it? In your area, you have departmental store. What is departmental store? Do you know? Departmental store. Which store is called departmental store? You know about the, in Bangalore, it's called Mudi Dokan, isn't it? Okay, Mudi
Grocery shop.
store, right? Grocery shop. Okay, or in Bangalore you can call it Mudi Dokan, or you can say departmental store. in departmental store, what happen at the very beginning of the month, we basically go there to purchase our monthly product for our home, isn't it? So what happened, at a time we purchase maybe 20 to 30 products, okay, at the very beginning of the month. And what the seller basically do, okay, one by one, according to requirement, one by one, he basically give the product, package the product, then by using his calculator, one by one, he basically write down the product name, price, then by using calculator, he basically do the calculation. So in this way, to provide service only one customer, it might take 15 to 20 minutes at least. Okay, so suppose at the same time 10 customer arrive that shop, what will happen? The last customer, to get the service, to provide the service to the last customer, that seller need maybe more than 1 hour. And what do you think? That customer will stay long, okay, 1 hour or more than 1 hour to get the service?
Obviously not, sir.
Right, it is not basically provide customer satisfaction, isn't it? As because you do not have operational excellence. Okay, as well as some other point there might be arise, like excuse me, like there might be some human error when you are doing calculation. Okay, you are in hurry, you might do some human error. Okay, so there are lots of problem we have. Okay, if I do the thing in a manual process. On the other hand, in another scenario, consider, imagine, think about the super shop. What they are doing? They are using information system. Think about Shopno, Agora, Mina Bazar, this type of super shop. If we purchase any product from there, they are using barcode scanner. Okay, on their product they have barcode, and by using barcode scanner they can scan the barcode, and it basically take on less than 3 or 4 minutes. Excuse me, 3 or 4 minutes to complete for a person billing, isn't it? Okay, and there is no chance to make human error because computer doing the calculation automatically. You can give service to your customer within a very less time. Okay, that is the thing. So now you understand what does it mean operational excellence. I'm giving an example so that you can understand. Okay, so super shops, they're using information system, that's why they are basically getting operational excellence. That means they are doing their work in a correct manner. There is less chance to make human error. Okay, they are providing more satisfaction to their customer. Okay, then they are basically keeping all the records for their future use. Okay, by using their information system. Okay, that means they are using POS system. Okay, point of sale, one kind of information system. Okay, by using that information system they are getting operational excellence. Am I clear to you? Or I can give you another example. Do you know about Walmart? Anyone heard about this organization, Walmart? Anyone?
E-commerce company,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right, Walmart. Okay, this is actually what?
It's
World
a
largest retailer company, one of the world largest retailer company. Okay, right. Okay, and they are also using information system. They're basically doing their business all over the world. They're doing business, almost all over the world, isn't it? Okay, so they need a very sophisticated information system. They need a very sophisticated information system to track down their activity, as they are running their business all over the world. Without information system, is it possible to track down what is happening in different countries? Okay, Walmart high level management, they will not be able to track it down without information system. Okay, so they are using information system to manage everything, and their information system is very efficient one, very effective one. Okay, they are basically able to use their information system in a better manner, in a good manner, in an effective manner, in an efficient manner. Okay, that's why they are generating profit. Okay, so if you consider their sorry, selling status in 2016, you find out that they sold basically 499 billion dollar. Okay, in 2016. Okay, and they generate a huge profit as because they are using information system in an effective manner, in an efficient manner. It is basically estimated that they are basically generating profit. Okay, more than $600 per square feet than their competitor. I'm requesting all of you, please mute your microphone. If you're not, I mean, okay, please mute your microphone. Okay. All right. So as I'm selling, it is estimated that they are basically generating $600, okay, more profit than their competitor organization in per square feet. Okay, whatever their properties, I mean warehouse they have, okay, from per square feet they are basically generating $600 more than their competitor organization, as they able to use their information system in an effective manner, in an efficient manner. Okay, that is the thing. Right. So now I think you have idea what does it mean operational excellence and what is the benefit you're going to get if you able to use information system in your organization in terms of operational excellence. Okay. All right. I think now you have some idea about the operational excellence. All right. Okay. So here you can see under operational excellence, they're mentioning improvement of efficiency to attain higher profitability. Okay. You can improve your efficiency, organizational efficiency. Okay. All right. Please do not use your drawing tools. All right. So here you can see that efficiency, the word they mention here, efficiency. Okay. So that means you have to ensure the proper utilization of your resources. Without information system, it is basically very tough to ensure the proper utilization of our resources. Okay, without by using your resources in a, I mean, effective manner, in an efficient manner, what we can do, we can gain higher profit, we can achieve more profit, and it is possible when you are going to use information system in your organization. Information system technology an important tool in achieve greater efficiency and productivity. Okay, that means productivity means actually what, by using your, I mean, less raw material, you are going to produce more product. Okay, and you're going to offer those product to your customer within a very low cost. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, by gaining operational excellence, okay, by using your information system, you can achieve the business objective, you can get more profit. Okay, so I think you're clear about this point, operational excellence. Okay, so next point I would like to discuss about, that is how we can achieve this objective, new product, new service and new business model by using information system in our organization. Okay, so customers, whoever the customer in your organization, they always want new thing to you. Okay, new service to you, new product to you, new business model to you. Okay, people, they are not, I mean, customer, they are not, I mean, willing to use the same product, I mean, year after year. They always basically think about, okay, so new product, new service, new business model. Okay, for an example, think about Horlicks. Did you ever, I mean, drink Horlicks in your childhood, anyone? Or Ovaltine or this type of drink?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So, but think about the Horlicks. Consider this example. Think about this Horlicks. The, I mean, the taste of the old version Horlicks, the outlook, the jar outlook of that old version Horlicks, okay, or the ingredients what we have inside that Horlicks, okay, totally different from nowadays Horlicks we have, isn't it? Okay, think about previous Horlicks. We basically find out that Horlicks with glass jar. Okay, nowadays we are getting with plastic jar, isn't it? Think about the taste. Okay, previously we have only one version, okay, one flavor, but nowadays we have, I mean, different flavor. Okay, some Horlicks they are telling that this is for junior, this is for senior, okay, this is for women, Okay, isn't it? There are different versions we are getting. Even think about the flavor, like chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor, isn't it? There are different flavor they are basically offering. Why they are doing that? They are basically providing us new product. They are offering us new product. Okay, otherwise we will not be able to we are not going to use, or we are not going to purchase that their product anymore, because people always think about new product. Okay, right. Then new service. Think about Apple. Think about Apple. Previously what they did, they are basically offering us iPod, isn't it? By using iPod, or by using this type of small device, okay, we basically used to listen song. Okay, but nowadays what we are doing, they are basically offering us Apple Play, Apple iTunes, Apple iTunes. Okay, so by using iTunes, okay, we can access number of song, millions of song by using our Apple device. We need not to use any separate small device like iPod, okay, to hear the song. Okay, so in this way they are basically offering a server, okay, song server or audio server to us, from where we can listen the song. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way they are basically providing us new service. Okay, and as well as business model. Business model means basically what? So describe how company produce, okay, produce their product from the raw material, deliver the product, okay, to their customer, okay, to their wholesaler, to their retailer, okay, and sell product or give service to their customer, so that they can create wealth, so that they can maximize their profit. This is called business model. Business model means how the story, okay, how you are going to run your business. Business model in general sense, it is a story that basically tells how you are going to run your business. Any question, anyone?
Sir,
Please.
Sir, Omar Farooq, sir, I have a question, sir.
Please.
Sir, if I compare with a business model with a flow chart, is it okay? Like every steps, how the business will work, and is it called business model?
Right. This you can also illustrate this your business model by using a flowchart. Okay, you can illustrate your business model, your business plan, okay, but through a flowchart. That means how you're going to conduct your business, how you're going to collect the raw material, how you're going to produce the final product, the finished product by using your raw material, how you're going to deliver those finished product to your wholesaler, to your retailer, how those retailer is going to sell those product to your customer. Okay, what will be your strategy about the pricing of your product? Okay, this type of thing basically what nothing but your business model. Okay, so you can illustrate your business plan through a flowchart, or simply we can say that this is a story that tells how I'm going to run my business organization. Okay, that is the thing. So think about
Sir,
carry on.
Sir, I have heard about B2B business model, B2C
Right.
business model.
Right.
Then
Right.
what is that?
Okay, so
Is
B2B.
it different term or?
There is a difference in between this B2B, B2C.
No, sir.
Okay.
Is it under model?
Yeah,
Or
definitely. Okay, these are actually e-commerce model. Okay, there are different types of e-commerce. Okay, suppose think about e-commerce business model. Mainly nowadays we have 7 e-commerce business model. Okay, 7 e-commerce business model. But you guys are very familiar about B2C, business to consumer. Like think about your Amazon.com, think about Alibaba.com, think about eValley.com, think about our in our Bangladesh Daraz.com. Okay, they are basically doing B2C, business to consumer. Okay, business. Okay, they are basically selling product directly to their customer. That's why this is called B2C. So this is one kind of business model. And how they are generating profit? They are generating profit by selling product to the customer. So this is their business policy. Okay, but this is not only one business model, e-commerce business model. We have number of business model. Like think about or should I say, there is another one like the name of that business model is e-commerce business model is uh, content provider. Content provider. Then market creator. Okay, content provider, market creator. They are basically other business model. Like content provider means like think about some website. Think about your any news portal. Okay, or think about YouTube. Okay, think about Facebook. They are also doing Prothom Alo, this news portal. They are also doing e-commerce business model. Okay, they are basically following one kind of e-commerce business model. And how they're generating profit? Okay, they are basically showing advertisement, Google AdSense, isn't it? They're basically showing advertisement. They are basically generating profit from subscription. Prothom Alo. Okay, many people subscribe their e-paper. Okay, then think about YouTube. If you want to, get some, premium version, you have to give some money to the YouTube, isn't it? In Facebook, you can do boosting. So Facebook also generating profit through their marketing. So they are also doing e-commerce business. But Amazon business model and Facebook business model, these two business model is not same. They are basically following different business model. Then think about like content provider like Netflix. They are also doing e-commerce business. But their business model and Amazon business model or Prothom Alo business model not same. Then we have service provider business model. Think about Pathao, Uber. Okay, Pathao business model, or think if you compare with Pathao business model with Prothom Alo with Amazon. Okay, you will get difference, isn't it? Pathao, they're basically providing service to us, and then they're basically getting profit. They're basically generating profit. So you understand, different organization basically follow different business model. Am I clear to you? Physical shop, whatever the physical shop
Yes,
we
sir.
have, okay, their business model and super shop business model not same. Okay, and you will get different business model followed by your e-commerce company. Okay, so physical shop like your departmental store. Okay, then super shop like Shopno, Agora, Mina Bazar. E-commerce site, okay, like Daraz, eValley, okay, Bigger.com. Okay, they're basically what? They're basically doing what? They're basically following different business model. Okay, they have different strategy to run their business. They have different strategy to give service to their customer. They have different strategy to generating profit. Okay, that is the thing. Then we have other business model like you can think about like transaction provider. Okay, or think about like PayPal also doing e-commerce business, but their business model is different. Okay, for every transaction on the basis of the amount, they are basically taking a service charge, isn't it? Okay, they are also following e-commerce business model, but their strategy is different. Okay, that is the thing. Right. Okay, so in this way, many organizations, they are basically doing business. Okay, like BD Jobs organization name, they are also following different business model. Okay, so I basically mentioned number of organization name. Okay, so each of them basically have their own business model, own strategy. Okay, so guys, remember, e-commerce means not only this this Amazon, Alibaba, or think about this what should I say, Bangladeshi website eValley, then Daraz, okay, or Bigger.com. Okay, rather than this, we have number of variation in e-commerce business model. Okay, so we have a chapter that is called e-commerce. Inside that chapter, we're going to learn about different e-commerce business model. So for now, is it clear what is business model to you? Omar, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. I have understood. Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. So in this way, what you have to do, if you have information system, then you will be able to offer new product, you will be offer new service, you will be able to offer new business model to your customer. So I would like to give some example to you about the new product. Okay, think about Google's product. Okay, like think about Google Map. This is the property of Google. Okay, think about Google Chrome. Okay, think about what else? The operating system, mobile based operating system. What is the name? Android. Okay, Android operating system. These are the properties of Google. Okay, Google is the proprietary. Okay, so think about this thing. Google, they have their information system. They have their search engine. What they are doing, whatever the search, whatever the keyword I am giving to that search engine, that search engine, what it can do, it can store those search engine in its database. Okay, and it can analyze what is the need of the people, what is the need of the customer. Okay, so if you want to, run in your business, if you want to generate profit from your business, at first you have to understand what is the demand of your customer very clearly. What is the demand of your customer very clearly you have to understand. Without market analysis, if you start your business, then definitely you have to face loss. There is a good chance to face loss. Okay, so this Google, what they're doing, they're basically analyzing a huge amount of data on the basis of our given keyword. Okay, through their search engine, they can gather this information. Okay, what is the demand of my customer? After that, they are basically analyzing those information. After that, they are offering us a service. That's why most of their product is very successful. Okay, most of their products are very successful. Okay, then think about the service. Again, in Super Shop, okay, they're basically offering us price point. Okay, they're basically offering us price point. So yesterday I visited Shopno, okay, to purchase some product. So I saw there for purchase a specific amount of amount, okay, you are going to get some price point. Okay, and 1 point equals to 0.75 taka. Okay, 0.75 taka. Okay, that means 1 point equal to 75 paisa. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, they are basically offering new service to their customer. Okay, on the basis of their purchasing. So what will happen? Customer will be able to that customer will be very happy with them at their getting new service. Okay, then business model. I already mentioned different types of business model. Okay, so if you are able to offer new business model to your customer, then they will be attracted by you. They are going to loyal to you. They are going to purchase more product to you. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so I think now you have some idea about this new product, new service, new business model. Okay, right. So like previously we had CD, we have DVD, we used to purchase cassette. Did you guys purchase cassette? Okay, in your childhood. Nowadays we're not using this cassette or tape recorder, but did you ever see
Yes,
the
sir.
tape recorder cassette?
Yes, sir.
In my childhood, I basically purchased number of cassette, okay, of James Ayub Bachchu. Okay, this type of cassette I basically used to purchase, okay, to listen song, okay, to heard song. Okay, but nowadays what we can do, we can go to YouTube, we can go to some storage device like iTunes. Okay, this type of storage device, from this type of storage device we can listen song. Okay, right. So they're basically providing the industry became changed, isn't it? Music industry have huge revolution. Okay, they're basically offering new service to us. Okay, right. Okay, I think now you have some idea. Okay. Okay, all right. Now I am moving to the next point. Customer supplier intimacy. Do you know what does it mean, intimacy? Intimacy means actually what? Customer supplier intimacy. Intimacy means what? Anyone? Any idea? Intimacy. What does it mean, intimacy?
মেলামেশা বা আন্তরিকতা একটু মেলামেশা থাকে যা
Right. All right. Then that means customer supplier intimacy means, there should be a good bonding. Okay, there should be a good bonding. Okay, that is the thing. Intimacy means closeness or bonding. Okay, that is the thing. So if you have good bonding, okay, with your customer, then they will be loyal to you, isn't it? They are going to purchase your product. They're going to purchase their product from your organization. In the industry, you have number of rivals company, you have number of competitors, isn't it? But if you able to establish a very good relationship with your customer, then they are going to purchase the product only from your organization. They're going to be loyal to you. Okay, as well as supplier. If you have very good bonding, very good intimacy, very good relationship with your supplier, then you will be able to get good quality raw material within a very less cost. And if you get the good quality raw material, it will increase the quality of your finished product, and you will be able to offer that product to your customer within a very less cost. Okay, that is the thing. So it will give you competitive advantage in terms of product price. Your competitor will provide the same product, maybe 10 taka, you're going to offer the same product within 9 taka, as because you have very good intimacy with your supplier. Okay, you are getting the same raw material within a very less cost. Okay, that is the thing. So that's why you should maintain a very good relationship with your customer and supplier. So I can give you one example, think about Mandarin Oriental. This is actually one hotel name. Okay, Mandarin Oriental Hotel. Mandarin Oriental is a hotel name. Okay, and this hotel basically doing their business operation in Asia, Europe, and America. Okay, these three continents, they are basically doing their hotel business. Okay, so Asia, Europe, and America. Okay, they are basically using their information system. Okay, to maintain their relationship with their customer. Okay, that is the thing. So how they are using this one? By using their information system, they are able to track down customers' personal choice, customers' interest. They can understand through their information system. They basically record each and every customer's likings, dislikings, preference. Okay, everything. Okay, that is the thing. So whenever any customer come to their hotel, they basically, according to their previous record, according to that customer's previous record, they basically decorate that room. Okay, in that way. Okay, that customer might like light, dim light. Okay, they might making the light dim. Okay, they might set the temperature. Okay, according to the customer demand, they can provide them like a specific music, which type of music basically liked by that customer. Okay, that is the thing. So if a customer like Robindra music or Robindra Songit, okay, and you during the bath time, if you basically said there some rock song, okay, I think that customer will not be satisfied, isn't it? Okay, so that's why what they do, according to their likings, they basically set up everything. Okay, the light, that light might be dim. Okay, or they might set the temperature, room temperature, according to that one. Okay, they might set the music like that. Okay, water temperature, then room bed sheet color even. Okay, or the flower, okay, provided every morning. Okay, some people like flower, and some people has allergy, isn't it, about the flower. Okay, so every likings and disliking, preference, everything they basically record in their database. And when that customer went to go to their hotel, okay, book a room, according to that customer preference, they basically decorate that room. Okay, then think about when a customer went to a hotel, they basically offer a complimentary juice. Okay, they basically offer a complimentary juice. So which fruits you like, they also have that record. Okay, and according to that, they're going to provide you that juice. Am I clear to you what type of service they're going to give their customer, and what they're doing? So they are doing so that they can retain the profitable customer, so that they can find out their profitable customer and they can retain them. Okay, that is the thing. Retain means, in Bengali, retain means punorai firiye ana. So in this way, they're giving service to their customer, and in this way, those customer will be loyal to them. Okay, in the same area, there might be number of hotel, but they always take service from this Mandarin hotel. Okay, Mandarin Oriental Hotel. Okay, as they are getting comfort there, as they are getting better service, best service from their hotel. Am I clear to you how you can make intimacy with your customer, and what is the use of information system? All right, I think you understand the point. Then the next point I would like to discuss, that is how you can develop the intimacy with your supplier. Okay, another organization name I would like to mention, the name of the organization is TAL Apparel Limited. TAL Apparel Limited. So this one is basically a Hong Kong based organization. Okay. But they are basically doing their business in Europe and America. Okay. In Europe and America, this organization basically give or supply apparels. Okay. Apparel means this type of clothes. Okay. Men's apparel or women's apparel. Okay. And what happened? Whatever the store, in which store they basically provide or they supply the materials, they can track down their storage inventory list. Okay, suppose any person purchase a product from America's shop, any specific shop, automatically the database will be updated. Like out of 8, 1 shirt already sold. So that information already provided to the TAL apparel limited. Okay, they're basically getting from their organization. They're basically getting the information in America from this shop. 1 shirt, this models 1 shirt already sold. Okay, in this way they can track down. Okay, what is their daily sale? So according to that information, they can produce number of shirts to fill up the lackings. Okay, so that there is no chance of out of stock. Okay, as well as they can understand what is the likings of the customer, which models shirt, which color, which fashion shirt basically sold more. Okay, according to that information, they can produce that shirt. Okay, so in this way, company can also maintain a very good liaison with the supplier. So in this way, they can overcome the out of stock problem. Okay, so that is the thing, you have to maintain a very good intimacy with your customer and supplier. Am I clear to you this point? Guys, can you hear me?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Any problem to understand this point?
No, sir.
All right, so another example I would like to give, the last example I would like to give from this on this point, like when you purchase any product from any good brand, they basically take your mobile phone or email address, isn't it? Okay, what happens? So suppose in your birthday, okay, I basically purchased one product, one jewelry from Diamond World. Okay, so on that time they basically took my mobile number and maybe my some other information like my birthday information as well, they basically took. And what happened in my birthday? Okay, they basically give me a message. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, that is the thing. So when I'm getting a message from them, I'm thinking that that organization taking care of me, isn't it? And in this way, I'm becoming loyal to them, isn't it? So in this way also you can make intimacy with your customer. Okay, you can establish intimacy relationship with your customer. And we use basically customer relationship management system. This is a software name, information system management name, customer relationship management system. Through this type of system, we can maintain a very good liaison with our customer. Okay, the supply chain management system, with this type of information system, we can make a very good liaison with our supplier. Okay, right. Okay, then move to the next point, improve decision making. So I think you guys have very good idea about this, how information system basically help us to make a very good decision. Okay, so let's see, without information system, what happened? Okay, without information system, if we take a decision, what will happen? Okay, as a manager, if you depends on forecasting, best guesses, luck. Okay, like I would like to invest some money in the market, but without market analysis, okay, just depends on my luck, like Opu 10 20 30. Okay, it just depends on my luck. If I just try to invest my money, okay, it might leads to me overproduction, underproduction of goods and service. There might be overproduction. Customer demand in this year, customer demand is suppose 1 million, but I produce 2 million. Then 1 million my overproduction. Okay, that will be wastage of amount, isn't it? Okay, then underproduction. Underproduction means because of underproduction, there might be out of stock problem. Out of stock problem. Your customer, they have demand, but product is not available in your shop. What they will do? they are going to purchase the product from your rival company, from your rival company. Okay, that is the thing. Under production. Then misallocation of resources. Suppose you have 10 outlets in whole Bangladesh, so you have to find out in which area the product demand is very high. Okay, if you do not have this information, then there might be misallocation of your resources. Suppose in which area there is less demand, you can supply more product to that area, and in which area there is more demand, you can provide less product to that area. Okay, so if you have information system, by seeing your information system, you can easily understand from which outlet what is the amount of sale, and according to that you can allocate your resources. Okay, so there is a chance of misallocation of your resource. Then poor response time. Okay, so you will not be able to give proper response, you're not able to supply the product in time. Okay, so if you do not have information about your product, okay, that is the thing. That's why they're telling, if you do not have information, if you as a manager, if you just depend on forecasting means in Bangalore this is called purvavash. Okay, purvavash, like we call weather forecasting, abohawar purvavash. Okay, so in this way forecasting means purvavash. Okay, or gazing means onuman. Okay, and if you depend on your luck, if you don't have information, then it leads to overproduction, underproduction, misallocation of resources, poor response time. So for this reason, you will get poor outcome. Okay, it will raise cost, and you might lose your customer because of out of stock. You will lose your customer. Okay, because of misallocation of your resources, because of overproduction, it will raise the cost. Okay, that is the thing. So that's why we need information system. From the information system, we are going to get information, and on the basis of those information, as a manager, we are going to take right, proper, accurate, timely information, timely decision. Am I clear to you? Okay, so okay, we already discussed about improved decision making. This already done. Competitive advantage. So guys, we have only 4 minutes left. So I'm requesting all of you, please write down your ID in the chat option. Okay, please write down your ID on the chat option, and within the given within these 4 minutes, I'm going to cover these 4 points. Competitive advantage. So competitive advantage means getting advantage from my rival company. Suppose you have a departmental shop. Okay, you are not running departmental shop in your area, only one as a person. There might be some other departmental shop as well, so they are the rival company of yours. They are the rival company of yours. So you have to get competitive advantage. Like you have mobile phone company. Okay, there are other company as well in the industry, like Apple, like Samsung, like Huawei. Okay, like there are number of Chinese mobile brand. They are your rival company. Okay, so if you want to sustain in the market, what you have to do? You have to ensure competitive advantage. Think about price. Okay, in terms of price, Chinese mobile phone, they are also doing a very good business. Okay, what is their advantage? They are basically offering number of services within a very less cost. Okay, so they are basically getting what? Competitive advantage in terms of what? Product price. On the other hand, Apple, what they are doing? They are basically offering us very superior quality product. That's why we can say that they are basically getting advantage in terms of product quality. Product quality. If you compare the Chinese product, Chinese mobile phone with the Apple, then they are basically offering us very superior quality products. So in this way, they are basically getting a competitive advantage in terms of product quality. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, if you use information system, then you are going to get competitive advantage than your rival company. Okay, that is the thing. Then they mention about Walmart. Okay, Walmart, they have their very sophisticated information system. They have very sophisticated supply chain management system. Okay, that's why they are getting advantage than other e-commerce website, other online retailer company. Okay, that is the thing. Walmart. Okay, UPS, this is the courier service. They are also have very sophisticated information system. That's why from other courier service, they are basically getting competitive advantage. People basically rely on them. Okay, right. Competitive advantage. And the last one, survival. For day-to-day survival, we need the information system. Like think about the Citibank. Citibank basically offer ATM service at the very first time. Okay. We have number of banks, but why we are going to choose Citibank? As because Citibank provide us ATM service. Okay. So by using this ATM service, we can purchase or we can basically withdraw or we can deposit money, okay, through online. Okay. And we can do 24 hours what banking. Okay. That is the thing. So to survival, day-to-day survival, you need information system. This ATM, without information system, is it possible to provide this kind of service? It is not possible. Okay, that is the thing. So these are the 6 objectives. To achieve these 6 objectives, we use information system in nowadays business. Okay, so inside the book you will get much more explanation, chapter number 1. So go through that one and let me know if